Hello, this is Elaine from Elaine's Creations, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Forever Fern stamp set. So I've also used the Tasteful Labels dies. So I've used this round piece right here and this. This is part of the In Good Taste suite, and I just really love these labels, so I've used this as well. But here's the main piece that I used, Forever Fern stamp set and Forever Flourishing bundle. I also have cut this piece out right here that I'm going to use in the card. So I'm going to use this as a mask. So I'm just going to move that aside and grab a piece of scrap paper, and I'm going to place this in the middle of my card. And I've used Pool Party and a sponge roller, so I'm just going to get this inked up. And I'm just going to roll this. Try to keep this in the same place. I'm just going to roll this across all the way down. Trying to get the same amount of ink throughout, but I think that the streaks are kind of nice. And then you get this nice white shadow of this piece right here. And then you can keep this piece like I had it in your case to use for later. So now I'm just going to stamp a couple leaves. So I've got my leaves in Pretty Peacock and Garden Green. So I'm going to do this one in Pretty Peacock, and I'm just going to stamp it right on top of the leaf. Beautiful. And then I'm going to do Garden Green. I'm going to do two, just one on either side. And then I'm just going to add this Pretty Peacock circle and the hello that I stamped from the stamp set on dimensionals. I'll put one in the middle here. And then I don't know if I should do, I could do regular on here. Let's do two. But first I should probably adhere this down. So get my Stampin' Seal. And here's the little trick. You run it, and then you break it off by going like this, and then your adhesive stays queued up so that you can run it again. I was having trouble with it staying queued up, but now I watched somebody's video and they showed me how to keep it queued up. So I'm going to put this circle down here, and then I'm just going to add the hello, and you've got this easy wow card that you can make for a friend. And it's fun because they each come out differently each time, the background. Thank you guys so much for joining me and watching my little video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to check out all my videos, and go to my website, elainescreations.net, to check out my blog posts and to shop and browse. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.